Aluminum is the mineral base for industrial use in ITESAL. It is the third most common element found in the Earth's surface. 8% of this aluminum compound originates from the Earth and is present in the majority of rocks and vegetation, as well as animals. As a metal, we only extract the mineral known as bauxite, which is first transformed into alumina and then into metal aluminum through electrolysis. This metal contains a combination of properties which makes it very useful for the production of different materials, which are low in density and have a high resistance to corrosion. The majority of the aluminum used by ITESAL today comes from recycling the actual aluminum itself, making its fabrication much more efficient than extracting it directly from bauxite. Through use of proper alloys, its mechanical resistance can be noticeably increased. It is a good electrical and heat conductor, and can also be mechanized and pressed easily. Because of this, it is the most used metal after iron in construction and industry since the middle of the 20th century. The aluminum arrives at our installation in the following manner. In bars that we call billets, and which weigh between 470 to 600 kilos, depending on the section. They are cut and heated above 400 degrees centigrade to begin the pressing process. Which is basically pushing the billet with a piston so that it adapts to a form predetermined by an industrial matrix, as if it were a pastry bag.
Lo que empieza es a fluir una barra de aluminio de hasta 55 metros, ¿vale? Con la geometría del perfil.
After this process, the aluminum, still around 500 degrees centigrade, is cut and passed through different cooling phases. Where it is then stretched into a perfect straight line form, adapting perfectly to the planned design. Afterwards, it is introduced into an aging furnace for about 5 to 9 hours, depending on the product. The furnace temperature is around 190 degrees centigrade in order to reach its optimal qualities in the finishing process.
Con las temperaturas adecuadas tendremos un aluminio apto para ser utilizado en un entorno tanto de arquitectónico como industrial.
ITESAL has a plant in Pina de Ebro, Zaragoza, with different production lines for the pressing process. At this plant, there is also a complex storage system for the immediate localization of any die so that prompt delivery can be made to clients for any type of production they may require. The dies are the base of our pressing process, and our team of expert toolmakers adjust and repair them in accordance to their original design. Once this process has been finished, they are transported to another part of our factory to continue their transformation. In the complex lacquering process, our billets acquire their color and texture that is well known and can be perceived by us. The process is totally automated and with little human intervention. We have a wide and rich variety of colors which allow us to produce large quantities on request, as well as maintain a stock of all patterns that appear in our system's catalog. This is independent of the stock consumed on a day-to-day basis, which allows us to offer a fast and efficient supply of our product for architectural purposes. The lacquer process has received the quality stamp of approval from QualiQuote Seaside, the highest certification for lacquer production. In a parallel production line for wooden profiles, our employees add to the previously lacquered color base the laminate, which will give it that texture and natural aspect that makes us doubt whether it's real wood or not, due to its perfectly realistic finish. The aluminum plates are then sent to the packing section and expedited.
Bien en formato caja o bien en formato caja industrial. Una vez que están hechos estos formatos, lo que hacemos es llevarlos a una zona de almacenaje donde está en espera hasta que hacemos la carga del material en los camiones para llevarlo al cliente.
Or to a different production line for their conversion into aluminum with thermal brakes. At this stage, polyamide bars are added, which are used to isolate the plate's exterior and interior, equipping them with the best thermal isolation in the market.
Romper la transmisión de calor entre el exterior que tenemos, el ambiente exterior de la calle y el interior que tenemos en nuestra casa para proporcionar un ahorro importante de aire acondicionado o de calefacción.
In order to coordinate all this work meticulously, as well as guarantee that the end result is exactly as the original design requires, it's vital to have a complex staff of engineers, technicians, administration, and directors. These people are responsible for assessing our clients and fulfilling their product request. The Research and Development Department is responsible for the necessary designs, quality control, as well as making sure that the production processes are correctly executed, such as the extrusion, lacquer, and thermal brakes, as well as other processes. They also give technical support at the work sites and to the architectural designs. All of these production efforts would not be sufficient without our network of distributors and warehouses. This network is capable of reaching clients anywhere, as well as the workshops and companies that need our materials. With our own fleet of vehicles, we deliver our products with tireless effort to the production centers. In ITESAL, we believe that this is the principal reason our company and its products are so highly valued. Behind every window, wall, and enclosure, there is a great challenge for continuous improvement by using the most advanced technology, finishes, aesthetics, and installation methods, so that our clients are able to enjoy only the best comfort in their homes without worrying about weather condition, types of buildings, and other specific spatial designs. They all have a solution, and we know which ones they are. This is how ITESAL works.